My dad has a mower. I bet he would really appreciate it if we turned that mower into a racing mower.
What did you do with my mower?
Faster!
I can see that. Why?
Because it's boring!
Does it go grass?
That is boring!
Never come back here!
So my dad kicked me out. I spent all my money on that push mower. It was worth it. And I just spent the last $3 I had on this bag of Skittles gummies. They're really good. And it would be awesome if you guys could support the show. Because my dad, I have to get my dad at least 2 push mowers. Because obviously 2 push mowers should equal 1 riding mower. That's just math.